Hi, I'm Anastasia. Do you want to grow long nails in a relatively short period of time? Keep watching this video and I will share my secret. A few months ago, I posted a video where I gave you 10 tips on growing long and strong nails. All these tips definitely work, but they require some time and patience. Which is hard, I know. For some people, it is extremely hard to grow even short nails due to different reasons. Some can quit nail biting, and some people simply have genetically thin and peeling nails. Thanks, Mom. I am like that too. My nails are very thin and I could never grow them long. Or sometimes I could, and then one nail immediately broke. So I had to file them off and start all over again. And this is how they look like now. My method requires strengthening the nail bed with soak-off gel. I use regular gel polish and add extra thickness and create a structure with the base coat. First, I apply dehydrator to prep the nail, and then we need to wait until it dries. And here is tip number 1. Use primer along the free edge to create a better adhesion. I use Balance Bond by NSI, which is a gel primer and it works great, but please note you won't be able to soak it off. After that, I will apply a thin layer of base coat for the gel polish. Do not forget to cap the free edge and along the sidewalls, and then depending on the brand you're using, you need to cure it in LED. Mine cures 1 minute or it can be 30 seconds. And here is tip number 2. Create a proper structure of the nail using base coat. First, I apply a base coat the same way and do not cure at this time. Then I put a drop right on the top from the cuticle towards the free edge, and using the same brush, or you can use a different gel brush, I carefully stretch it to the right side and to the left, and this is how I create the structure. I also create the apex and cap the free edge. This is how it looks like, completely smooth, thicker in the center where the apex is and thinner on the sides. And then we need to cure it in LED lamp. Now the nail looks perfect, even and smooth, and what's more important, now it has apex and it's pretty hard to break it, and it won't peel as it is all covered now. So base coat and gel polish overall acts like shield, preventing nails from insecurities of the outer world, like water, soap and other things. Now you can apply any color of the gel polish on the top and do nail art, or simply leave them clear. Tip number 3. Do not soak off. The key is to keep the nail plate safe and don't touch it. After 2 to 3 weeks we need to remove old product and apply new. It is better to remove it with electric file. I use ceramic drill bit and 20 to 25,000 rotations per minute speed. Be careful, do not touch the natural nail plate with the drill bit. You need to leave a thin layer of the base coat underneath. If you don't have enough skill yet, you can file off the rest with a regular file, but leave a little bit of the base coat on the nail at all times. You can also use carbide drill bit to remove the product. It is very important to be extremely careful. Do not overheat the nail plate. Do not stay on the one spot for a long time. You need to constantly move from one area to the other. And once you see that the product is pretty thin in the area, you can leave it and finish with a regular nail file. So the key is to leave a thin layer of the coat, but if you see any lifting, then you need to file it off. Then we need to do it all over again. Apply a base coat, create a structure, cure and apply color. After 4 weeks you will already see the results, and after 1 to 2 months your nails will be much longer. I made an experiment and grew them almost twice longer as they are now in this video, and I decided to file them off because to me this length of the natural nails doesn't feel comfortable. For extreme length I prefer sculptured nails, but this is another story. These are the tips I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you learned something new. If you don't feel like using gel polish and you want to grow your nails naturally, check out my another video. I will leave a link in the description box. If you want to know more about manicure and nail art, consider subscribing as I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!